all the way from Russia, we have the trainer Ilya. Thank you, brother. All love. He's white side from Ukraine, trainer Sergey. Women Anatoly and Lady Olga, also from Russia. My name is Sid.
My name is Kiras.
We would like to say thank you to Joel, thank you to Sam, thank you everyone for joining us. Unfortunately, the good times has come to an end. The show is over. Exit gate will be open this side. You will all exit from here. The three families who want to buy the dolphin painting or take picture of the dolphin or seal, please come to the red seats that side with the ring winners. Picture that side, exit this side. We'll see where the birds show at 12:15. Bye-bye. Masalamat. Namaste. Paka-paka.
حبايبنا اللي فازوا بالحلقات اللي حابين ياخذوا دور في البيت